Hello, I'm here today to read aloud to you the evolution test for this school year. Number one, changes in species over long periods of time is called A, radioactivity, B, evolution, C, development, D, boring. Number two, what is the geological timescale? A diagram that shows how scientists think different groups of organisms are related. B, the record of the millions of fossils that scientists have collected. C, the calendar of Earth's history. Or D, a chart containing a list of the radioactive elements. Number three, a paleontologist finds fossils in 3 layers of rocks. Where would the youngest fossils be located? Is it A, a top layer, B, the middle layer, C, both the top layers and the bottom layer, or D, the bottom layer? Number 4, using the diagram below, which of the following fossil is the oldest? Is it A, fossil A, B, fossil B, or C, fossil C? Number 5, fossils are typically found in what rock type? Is it A, igneous rock, B, sedimentary rock, C, metamorphic rock, or D, fragile rock? Number 6, the fossil record shows that A, most species have not evolved, B, some species are evolutionary transitions between major groups of organisms, or C, all species are today just as they were created. Number 7, which of the following is an example of a fossil? Is it A bone dug up from a 200-year-old gravesite, B, a Native American arrowhead, C, a 10,000-year-old footprint of a woolly mammoth, or D, a chicken bone from KFC you find in your yard? Number 8, organs that have a similar or same structure in different species but have different functions are called blank. Is it A, embryological similarities, B, homologous structures, C, vestigial structures, or D, variations amongst species? Number 9, the image illustrates what evolutionary concept? In this picture, you have a human, a cat, a whale, and a bat. And if you look carefully, you have their different bone structures, and the different colors represent different bones. Does this illustrate A, embryological similarities, B, homologous structures, C, vestigial structures, or D, variation amongst species? Number 10, homologous structures provide evidence that A, different parts of an organism's body are related, B, related species have inherited similar structures from a common ancestor, C, body structures are adapted to perform different tasks, or D, different organisms have the same parents. Number 11, a horse has a small, it's supposed to be toe, bones behind its hoof under its skin. They have no purpose or function. What kind of organs are they? Adaptive structures, B, vestigial structures, C, homologous structures, or D, radioactive structures? Number 12, which of the following is an example of a vestigial structure? A whale pelvic bone, which means they're leg bones, a B, bat's wing, C, giraffe's neck, or D, human hands? Number 13, any variation that can help an organism survive and reproduce in its environment is called A or N. A, adaptation, B, competition, C, fossils, D, monkeys? Number 14, which of the following is the weakest piece of evidence supporting a close evolutionary relationship between two animals? Is it A, The bones of a bird's wing are similar to those of the bones of a human's arm. B, human embryos look like turtle embryos in their early development. C, pandas look like bears. D, the amino acid sequence in mouse hemoglobin is similar to the amino acid sequence in chimpanzee hemoglobin. 15. Which is not evidence to support the theory of evolution? Is it A, fossil record, B, homologous structures, C, vestigial structures, D, comparative embryology, E, DNA and amino acid similarities, or F, finches are birds that feed on tortoises' necks? 16. The presence of gill slits, notochord, and a tail in the early stages of development of an embryo indicates that these organisms shared a common ancestor. True or false? 17. The more closely related two different organisms are the A, more similar their habitats are, B, less similar their DNA sequences are, C, more recently they share a common ancestor, or D, less likely they are to have the same genes in common. 18. Based on the data in the accompanying table, which of the following organisms is the most distantly related to humans? Is it A, the rhesus monkey, B, the bullfrog, C, yeast, or D, cow? Number 19. Based on the data in the accompanying table, which of the following organisms is the most closely related to humans? Is it A, rhesus monkey, B, bullfrog, C, yeast, or D, cow? Number 20. A species is a group of similar organisms that A, can mate with each other and produce fertile offspring, B, can live together on an island, C, all have exactly the same traits, or D, all eat exactly the same food. Number 21. The process by which individuals that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce is called what? A, overproduction, B, natural selection, C, variation, or D, time? Number 22. A scientific blank is a well-tested concept that explains a wide range of observations. Is it A, reason, B, experiment, C, theory, D, idea? Number 23. Most members of a species show differences or variations. Is that true or false? Number 24. The tortoise from Abingdon Island, shown in figure 10.1, would likely be better adapted than the Albemarle Island tortoise to which of the following environments? Okay, so which one is going to be better well adapted? The Abingdon Island to the Albemarle Island. Is it A, areas with short plants and mosses, B, areas with no plants and sand dunes, C, areas with lots of taller plants, or D, areas with only tall trees? Number 25. Darwin explained the differences in beak shape amongst the Galapagos finches as being the result of what? A, chance events, B, adaptations to eating different foods, or C, differences that existed when birds moved into certain areas? Number 26. Artificial selection has given us A, the many species of wild cats, B, breeds of the domesticated dogs, C, various human species, or D, the many rainforest species? 27. Which of the following is an example of sexual selection? A, the attraction of penhens, female peacock, to the male peacock with an elaborate tail. B, tall humans mating with other tall humans. C, goldfish that make it difficult to tell if they're male or female. Or D, male and female bottlenose dolphins that look identical in the wild. And last but not least, number 28. Looking at the image, predict that what might happen to the mouse population over a period of time or a few generations. Each frame, number 1, number 2, number 3, is a change over time. Is it A, the hawk will feed on both the white and gray mice? B, the white mice will not survive much longer in the population and the gray mice will survive and be more successful? C, if the hawk is hungry enough, it will probably start feeding on other hawks. Or D, nothing will change for future mouse populations. Okay, that was your test read aloud for your evolution test scheduled for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. Otherwise, have a great day.